Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Tess here, and in today's video is all about money making. I said that I will be doing these money making videos for you guys and show you guys how you can actually make money online. You just don't have to rely on getting part-time jobs where you are using your energy physically. There are actually many ways now that you can do to make yourself money online. So today I have one particular website that I wanted to show you guys. This website, I came across it, and it's such an amazing website that you can use to make some extra income for yourself. So this website is called Study Pool, and in this website what you can do is basically there are different things you can do on this website. So you can become a tutor where if you have certain knowledge in a certain topic or certain subject, you can come and register as a tutor and you'll be teaching people in that particular course that you are interested in or you are much informed about. So you can see become a tutor. But then also there is another way you can make money with this website, and that is selling your documents. So as a student, you are always writing. You have notes that you are always writing. And instead of you throwing away these notes, you can actually come here, take a picture of the notes you're having and come and sell them on this website. So as you can see, earn money by selling study documents, earn up to 5,000 dollars a month by sharing your documents every time. So every time you can get from up to $10 every time a student views or buys your notes. So this is a fantastic way. It's actually passive income. You're not even doing so much on this website. You basically make sure that obviously the notes you are taking are like clear and well written, and you can come and upload your notes here and actually sell them. So you can see that they say they accept documents in all languages. Actually, imagine, we accept doc in all languages. So it doesn't matter the language you're writing this thing in. All you have to do is just make sure that your notes are well written, the picture is well taken, and yeah, upload your documents. So you just have to sign up and yeah, start selling your notes. Actually, I wish I knew about this by then, because my time, I know I threw away so many notes that I had written. But if I knew about it, I would have obviously sold my notes here. So you guys don't miss out on this chance. You can see it's actually a very legitimate website. You can see people are selling their notes. They are really earning from the website. So yeah, take the chance and earn yourself some passive income. So that is it, guys. Or even you can come and be, or you can even assist people with their homeworks. You can see you can actually register on this website for so many things. So just come to this website. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. Come and check out the website and see they have different features that you can use. Even you yourself, if you need help in a particular topic or in a particular subject, you can actually come here and post your questions, and yeah, you get feedback from other tutors or other students. So yeah, guys, let me know if this website would be helpful. Let me know if you knew about this website, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.